For our math today, we are going to practice modeling and counting the numbers 3 and 4. So if you can pause your video to get out your math worksheets for today. Parents, there are directions at the bottom to follow. So you are going to use your counters. And the first direction says place 4 counters on top of the water. So we're going to place 1, 2, 3, 4 counters on top of the water. And then it says decide which frame shows 4. This one shows 1, 2, 3. This frame shows 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are going to move our counters to the frame that shows 4. Now it says place 3 counters at the bottom of the bowl. 1, 2, 3. This frame shows 1, 2, 3. So we're going to slide these counters to the frame that shows 3. Now we're going to look at our next page. On this example, we have 1, 2, 3 pinwheels. So we shaded in 1, 2, 3 squares in this frame. On this example, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 pinwheels. So we shaded in 1, 2, 3, 4 squares on this frame. Now we're going to count the whistles. 1, 2, 3, 4 whistles. So we're going to shade in 4 squares on this frame. And then this picture, there are 1, 2, 3 whistles. So we are going to shade in 3 squares on this frame. Now, you are going to do that same thing for all of these pictures. And the directions at the bottom say for 1 through 4, count the objects and color the boxes to show how many. So count the objects for each one of these and color the boxes. For this one, it says count the objects in the picture. So this is your picture. And color the boxes to show how many. So you're going to count the balls that are up here and color in the frames for the amount of balls. And then you're going to count the planes and color in the amount of squares for the planes. In this one, You are going to count the objects and color the boxes to show how many. And you'll do the same for this one and this one. And then for this one, it says count the objects in this picture and color the boxes to show how many. And remember, you will send this with your brown envelope next Friday.